up, guys? And continue to tear down, get this thing ready to be brought over to my shop. But I don't think my pops fixed the pressure washer, so I'm not gonna be able to pressure wash it today. I might just hose it down as much as I can. You have a pressure washer? Oh, look at that. See? Gotta love it. Sean's the best. It works though, for real?
Of course.
Oh.
Like, I have a pressure cleaner, like you trying to clean your house type shit, and I have a little toy that will get the job done.
A little toy?
It'll get your sidewalks pretty damn white.
I just want to spray off and get like all the gunk and shit
and that'll be
all
perfect.
in there off.
And you won't have shit flying everywhere.
Yeah, no. I'll move the cardboard and then I'll
So
pressure wash the
It's funny, I took it out. I was
floor
like cleaning the
after.
patio off this morning.
Hey.
Nah, give me the link.
Here. Finished taking out the fenders here. These two pain ass fucking
So have you
bolts.
gotten the bolts off?
Bro, those two bolts in the bottom. The whole thing's ready to come off.
Is this connected to the light?
Yeah, it's connected to the headlight. As you can see it right in here. Where is it? Yeah, right there. 110 back there and a 2 annoying 10s on the bottom. And then I still gotta do the other side. Fun. I gotta take the condenser out. Headlights gotta come off. High beam's gotta come off. Reservoir has to come out. Fuse box gotta come out. I gotta undo all the wiring. There'll be too much cleaned up over here that I can get by hand. But all that gotta go. All that gunk in there. All that shit. Freaking bugs. Well, let's see if I can finish getting these two bolts that are under here. It sucks. Freaking low life problems. Pinch holes all flattened up. And this thing's destroying my pinch weld. Well, I haven't really updated you guys on since the last video I made. Where did I leave off at? Oh, you guys saw us loading up both motors into my buddy Julian's truck. Yes. After that, we hauled them over to my shop, unloaded them over there. I broke the trannies off of them, put both of them up on engine stands, and then I decided to put the turbo and the manifold and everything on the 1J just to see how it'll look.
Yeah, probably would have crawled over.
Almost had him. Almost. Well, we're gonna continue. Annoying bolt out of here. Bingo. Yeah, that shit's all torn up. Woo.
Congratulations.
Maybe by tomorrow I can get this thing towed over to my shop. I gotta clean up around over there. It's a little messy.
Wait, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna tie a rope to it and just drag it over there. I'll sit in here, I'll work the brakes, steer it. It's really light now. No motor in it. Motor and tranny. Emptiness. This car is so low. Yo, it actually rose up a lot since I took the motor out. This was not there. This is like down to here. Alright. Let me stop standing around. Let me unlock this other door. Oh, my old black interior. Ooh, look at that steering wheel. Oh, Sean's back. Hey, with the pressure washer. Ooh, so hot. Ooh. Lemonade. Have a little bit of shade while I work on this side. What did I do with, there they are. Supply bags. Cover up some stuff. There we go. I'll just let that dangle down below with the AC lines.
There's bolt holes right there. Was there a cover of some sort?
Just the what part that was on the harness,
Oh,
the rubber part.
Oh, okay. Yeah, after that you should be fine. Just don't focus the nozzle of the gun on those weak areas. Low key though, my calves are getting nice, man. Been working out.
Yeah.
Look at that shit. Ooh, boy. I ain't gonna front though. That definition right there. Yeah. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that.
I got driveway degreaser.
Dude, you gonna need that, bro.
Let's go.